Antony Harold Newton, Baron Newton of Braintree, OBE, PCDL, was a British Conservative politician and former cabinet member. He was the Member of Parliament for Braintree from 1974 to 1997, and was later a member of the House of Lords. Early life. Newton was born in Harwich, Essex. He was educated at Friends School Saffron Walden and Trinity College, Oxford, where he was president of Oxford University Conservative Association and the Union. He unsuccessfully fought Sheffield Brightside in the 1970 general election. Member of Parliament. Newton was first elected for the new constituency of Braintree in February 1974 with a majority of 2001, and successfully retained the seat in the October 1974 general election with a reduced majority of 1,090. The Conservative victory at the 1979 general election boosted his majority dramatically to 12,518, and it increased at every subsequent election to a high of 17,494 at the 1992 general election before his defeat in the Labour landslide at the 1997 general election. In government, Newton was appointed a government whip when the Conservatives came to power in 1979. In 1982 he moved to a junior ministerial position at the Department of Health and Social Security, where he remained until 1988, becoming Minister for Social Security and Disabled People in 1984, and Minister for Health in 1986. Newton became Chancellor of the Duchy of Lancaster and a minister at the DTI for a year, before being promoted to Secretary of State for Social Security from 1989 to 1992, and then taking up the positions of Lord President of the Council and Leader of the House of Commons until 1997. His discretion about John Major's four-year affair with Edwina Currie is credited with enabling Major to become Prime Minister. Peerage. After he lost his seat in 1997, he was created a life peer as Baron Newton of Braintree, of Coggeshall in the county of Essex. He attempted to be selected for the European Parliament election 1999 but was unsuccessful. Newton chaired the Hansard Society Commission on Parliamentary Scrutiny, which ran from 1999 to 2001. The Commission concluded that Parliament was being left behind by changes in the Constitution, government and society, and set out reforms for improving its function. On the 1st of November 2007 he was appointed the first chairman of the new Administrative Justice and Tribunals Council. Personal life. Newton was married to Janet Huxley from 1962 until they divorced in 1986. He married Patricia Gilthorpe later that year. He is survived by his two daughters from his first marriage.